Make a great choice today with the 2014 GTI. This Volkswagen is considered by many to be the hot hatchback. The GTI is available in both 2- and 4-door models to easily accommodate up to 4 adults. A decent-sized 15-plus cubic foot trunk is well-shaped and easy to load and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.